Here I've got LeEco Le S3 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select date and time, and here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off by tapping on this tab, and then you can pick time zone by yourself. As you can see, you will find here plenty of them, so everyone will find something suitable, and then also you can change date and time. Then go to the calendar. You can also pick the one that you would like to have. You can have Gregorian or Buddhist. Let me change it. And finally, you can also have 24-hour format clock by tapping on this switcher, or the typical one, 12-hour format clock, so it's all up to you. So that would be all. This is how you can change the date and time and also the time zone in your LeEco Le S3. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.